ordering food at a restaurant.
Oh my gosh, this restaurant is so cute. I love the ambiance. What are you thinking of ordering?
Definitely the pasta carbonara. It's creamy and has bacon. Total comfort food. How about you?
I'm going for the grilled salmon with seasonal vegetables. Trying to be good after all those holiday cookies.
Smart. We deserve appetizers, though. The bruschetta looks incredible. Tomatoes, basil, balsamic.
Yes, let's share that. And maybe calamari too. I'm feeling indulgent.
Perfect. What about drinks? A bottle of white wine to share?
Sauvignon Blanc, please. It pairs well with seafood. Excuse me, waiter.
Good evening, ladies. Are you ready to order or need more time?
We're ready. We'll start with bruschetta and fried calamari, then grilled salmon with vegetables for me and carbonara for my friend, plus a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc.
Excellent choices. Would you like still or sparkling water?
Sparkling, please. Any bread basket included?
Yes, complimentary. Any allergies or dietary preferences I should note?
No allergies, thank you. We're all good.
This is exactly what I needed. Good food and great company.
Totally. Work has been crazy. We should do girls' nights more often.
Absolutely. Next time, maybe Italian again, or try that new sushi place.
Deal. Oh, dessert later? Tiramisu sounds heavenly.
Always room for dessert.